Hello, and welcome to the Yugana M780 4D remote control tutorial. Today, I am going to walk you through the ins and outs of the Yugana M780 remote to better understand how to use it to get the most out of your massage chair. This video is going to be split into 5 different parts: remote layout and functions, menu walkthrough, customizing and saving a massage, settings, and pairing Bluetooth devices. To start, we are going to go over the button layout on the front face of the remote and what each of the buttons do. Then, we will go over the menu to start an auto program. After that, we'll customize a massage using the different features of the chair. And then, we're going to save our customized massage to the chair's My Memory program. Finally, we will go over the chair settings and how to pair your Bluetooth device to your Yugana M780 4D massage chair. Let's begin by turning on the remote by pressing the red power button below the display screen. This button is used to turn the chair on and off when connected to power and when the power switch on the back of the chair is turned to the on position. Note: once fully booted, a yellow warning screen will appear. Please read thoroughly, and when finished, tap the OK button to confirm. To the right of the power button, we have the pause button. Press the button once to immediately stop all massage chair activity. Press again to resume your massage. In the center, you have the directional pad and the OK button. This will help you navigate through the menu, and the OK button allows you to confirm a selection. Below and to the left of the direction pad, you have the home button. Pressing this button will bring up the home screen where most of the chair's settings are located. We will return to this in part 2 of this video. The 4D button, when pressed, increases and decreases the 4D intensity of the back mechanism. While in an auto program or in manual mode, pushing the 4D button will change the intensity of the massage. Use a lower intensity for a light tissue massage or a higher intensity for a deep tissue massage. Adjust these until you find a setting that is suitable for you. Next is the Auto Program button. When pressed, this brings up a list of 13 auto programs that you can use with the start of a button. There is Quick, Total Body, Neck and Shoulder, Lower Body, Renew, Stretch, Bedtime, Mid-Body, Shiatsu, Relieve, Calm, Zen, and Stress Free. At the bottom of the remote, we have the adjustment buttons for the footrest and backrest. When holding down the footrest adjustment buttons, this allows you to raise or lower the footrest. You can adjust the backrest just the same. This allows the chair's backrest to recline or bring the chair to an upright position. Next is the zero gravity and voice command buttons. These will allow you to quickly turn on zero gravity or awaken intelligent voice command. Press once for zero gravity 1. Press twice for zero gravity 2. Press zero gravity button again to return to zero gravity 1. Press once to awaken intelligent voice command, or hold down for 3 seconds to turn off intelligent voice command. Now let's walk you through the menu. Let's press the home button. On the screen you will see 6 different menu options: Auto Program, Manual Program, Air Massage, Options, Memory Storage, and Settings tool. It is very easy to navigate through the different menu options. Just use the directional pad to navigate the menu and press OK to select an item. We are going to start from the top and work our way down the list. The first option is Auto Program. This brings up the Auto Program menu that we saw when we pushed the Auto button earlier. Each of these auto programs provides a different massage that is designed to stimulate muscles and ease tension. We recommend trying each one out and seeing what feels best for you. Going back to the main menu, navigate over and select Manual. This will bring up the manual menu, displaying 4 different options you can adjust: Mode, Position, Back speed, and width. Let's select Mode. These are different techniques of massage that this chair offers. Scrolling through, you can see there are 9 options: Knead, Clockwise Knead, Counterclockwise Knead, Upper Knead, Lower Knead, Tap, Knead and Tap, Shiatsu, and Knock. Try each one of them and see which one you enjoy the most. Now, with the type of massage selected, let's select Position. Here you have 5 options: Full, Upper, Lower, Partial, and Spot. If you select Full, this sets the rollers to utilize the entire L-track in the massage chair, that is, from your neck to glutes. In Upper, the rollers travel from the neck down to lumbar, and in Lower, they travel along the lumbar and glutes. For a more focused massage, select partial. This setting moves the rollers in a 6 to 8 inch section where they currently are on the L track. For a more targeted area, select the spot option, then tap the left arrow button 3 times to get to the in use screen. If massage position is not highlighted, tap the left arrow again, then tap the OK button to select massage position. Then move the rollers to any desired position on your body along the L track. This also works in the partial mode. Returning back to the manual menu, there are 2 more settings to adjust. If you want to change the speed of the rollers on the L track, you can adjust those settings in back speed on the menu. Here we have 5 different options to choose from, 1 being slowest and 5 being fast. Lastly, to change the width of the rollers, simply select width and you will see 3 options, a wide, medium, and narrow. Note, width only works in tap, shiatsu, and knock. Now that we have learned the ins and outs of the manual menu, let's return to the main menu and continue exploring the other features of this chair. Once back at the main menu, select Air Massage. This is where you can adjust the airbag controls to get a great compression massage. After you select Air Massage, you will see 2 options. These are Position and Intensity. Position will allow you to choose between 4 different options: full body, upper body, lower body, and off. Once selected, you can change the intensity by using Intensity. This will show 5 different options, 1 through 4, and off. The higher the number, the more force the airbags will apply. If you decide you want them off, simply select off and they will be turned off entirely. With the airbags set to your desired intensity, let's return to the home menu and select Options. Here you'll find 4D intensity, foot speed, calf speed, heat, nature sounds, and volume. Navigate to 4D intensity, then use the up or down buttons to select your desired intensity, 1 being the lowest and 6 being the strongest. Press the OK button to select the 4D intensity. This is the same setting that we set using the 4D button earlier. Next, navigate to foot speed. Press the right button, then use the up or down buttons to select your desired foot roller speed, 1 being the slowest and 3 being the fastest. You can also deactivate the rollers by choosing off. Now, navigate to calf speed. Then use the up or down buttons to select your desired calf roller speed, 1 being the slowest and 3 being the fastest. You can deactivate the rollers here also by choosing off. Press the OK button to select the calf roller speed. Let's bring on the heat. Press right button, then use the up or down button to select your desired heat region, lumbar or back mechanism. Press the OK button to select the heat region. You can select both heat regions at once. If the heat region is highlighted in red, it is on. To turn off the heat, select heat region again. Once heat region is off, writing will return to gray. To better enhance your massage, select Nature Sounds. Here you will find 10 different nature sound options: white noise, ocean surf, crickets, rain, nature, airplane, car ride, fireplace, thunderstorm, and windy night. Press OK button to select the one to your liking. Select the same sound again to turn off nature sounds. Note, Bluetooth setting must be on for sounds to work. We will circle back to this setting later. Finally, navigate to volume. Press right button, then press up or down button to select your desired volume level, 1 being quietest and 5 being the loudest. Select off to turn all sounds off. Press OK to select a setting. Now let's go over how to save your custom massage. Once you have chosen all your desired manual air, heat, speed, and intensity settings, navigate home and select memory storage. Press up or down buttons to navigate memory 1, memory 2, or memory 3. Press right button, then press OK to save the current massage settings to memory. Once a memory program is saved, it will show saved in red. If you hit save in a position with a program already saved, it will be erased and replaced by the most recent save. To run a memory program, select Auto Program from the home display and scroll to the bottom of the page. Select My Memory 1, My Memory 2, or My Memory 3, and the OK button allows you to confirm a selection. The chair will now run the program you created. Now let's return to the home menu and explore the settings. Navigate to the last option in the home menu and select Setting Tool. Here you will see timer, language, Bluetooth, beep, sleep mode, and LED lighting. Let's start with time. Here you will see 3 choices: 10 minutes, 20 minutes, and 30 minutes. Selecting one of these will extend your massage session length. Keep this setting in mind when you create your custom massage to set the length of session desired. The next setting is language. This chair has 4 different language settings to choose from: English, Chinese, Korean, or Spanish. Press OK to select the language. Next is Bluetooth. You can turn on the Bluetooth settings on or off. To connect your phone to the chair, this setting will need to be turned on. To pair your Android or Apple device, we will be going over that in Part 5. Note: to power the speakers, Bluetooth must be turned on for nature sounds to properly work. The next setting is beep. Here you have the option to turn on or off the beep sound effect. Next is sleep mode. Here you can select the desired sleep mode option to on or off. When sleep mode is on, the chair will stop in the reclined position after an auto program. When sleep mode is off, the chair will return to the ready position waiting for a new command after each auto program. Finally, LED lighting. Once selected, you will have the option to turn the LED lighting on or off. Now, let's pair your phone to the chair so you can play and enjoy your favorite songs, audiobooks, podcasts, and more through the chair's Bluetooth speakers. Make sure that Bluetooth is enabled in the settings menu on the Yugana M780 remote. Now make sure you have Bluetooth enabled on your Bluetooth device. If Bluetooth is already on, your device will automatically detect the Bluetooth-enabled massage chair around you. Select Yugana M780 in the Available Devices section of your Bluetooth settings and ensure that the connection went through. Now you should be connected to the chair's speakers and you are ready to enjoy your favorite music. Now that you understand the settings, layout, and functions of the Yugana remote control, you can fully enjoy your Yugana M780 4D massage chair and truly maximize your massage experience. Kyota, the world's most advanced massage chairs,